How to redeem codes in Genshin. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem codes in Genshin. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To redeem codes in Genshin Impact, you need to be at least Adventure rank 10. Open chests and finish main and side quests to level up your adventure rank quickly. Once you reach adventure rank 10, you then have to visit the official Genshin Impact website and log into the account you wish to redeem the codes on. If you can't remember what email address is linked to your active account, go to Settings by navigating to the cog symbol on the main menu. Then select Account near the bottom of this list. Finally, select User Center to open a web page with your user ID number and linked email address displayed. Once you are logged in into the correct email address or linked account, select your server region, type your character name, then enter the code you want to redeem in Genshin Impact. If it works, a redemption successful pop-up will appear. Make sure you fill in all the 3 fields correctly. After redeeming a code, you will receive the free items via in-game mail. Return to the game and select the letter symbol from the main menu to open mail, then enter Claim or Claim All to receive your free rewards. Remember, each redemption code can only be used once per character, so you will only be able to reuse a code if you make another character and play through. So, this is how you can redeem codes in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.